morning everyone. Welcome back to the class again. Hope you have seen the videos and audios yesterday. So before proceeding forward, today I am just going to recap the things that we have discussed yesterday. Now you can see here on the board that the story that we started yesterday was about Patrick. Patrick is a boy who loved playing games, different games, and he hated doing homework. He also had a cat. Now that cat was playing with a tiny man who was wearing a different type of cloth. So here the basic thing is revolving around Patrick and his behaviors. Now this tiny man, when he was caught by the cat, he asked Patrick to help him to save him from the cat. So that tiny man granted Patrick a wish. And since Patrick was hating to do the homework, he found a golden opportunity to ask the tiny man the wish to help him in doing the homework. The tiny man also thought that if I will help Patrick in doing the homework, then he will save me from the cat. So this is the recap. Okay students, now we will move forward to the next page. And the next page starts like this. And true to his word, that little elf began to do Patrick's homework. Now here a new word came, that is elf. Elf means a supernatural creature, of folk tales. Means जो अगर छोटी मोटी कहानियां हमारे अगल बगल में बोली जाती हैं, that is called folk tales. Especially small in size. So the little man, that was the elf, began to do Patrick's homework, except there was one glitch. Again a new word here comes, glitch, which basically means problem. So this word glitch means problem. The little man started doing the homework, but he was facing problem. Why? The elf didn't always know what to do and he needed help. So he needed help from Patrick every time he started doing the homework. Help me, help me. He would help me, he would say. And Patrick would have to help in whatever way. Since Patrick was wanting his homework to do on time, he was helping the elf, that is the little man, in every step when he was getting confused. I don't want this word, the elf squeaked while reading Patrick's homework. Get me a dictionary. No. What's even better, look up the word and sound it out by each letter. Now actually, whenever Patrick is used to give the homework to the tiny man, this tiny man used to start asking for help, and when Patrick said, okay, I am going to give you a dictionary, you just find the words and you do the homework, he used to say, no, it will be better if you read the word and if you give me the meanings for doing the homework. Okay students, after doing a recap, now I am just trying to discuss the assignment question that I have given you yesterday. The answers may vary depending upon your own sentences, but I am just discussing the basic points that should be mentioned in the answer. Now the first question is, how did Patrick feel about homework? was mentioned that Patrick felt very bored in doing homework. So the answer should involve this point that Patrick hated doing homework because he felt very boring. Second one is, what kinds of game did Patrick like to play? Now again, it is also being very clear in the chapter that Patrick used to play different games, and the games were hockey, Nintendo, etc. So the answer should have that point. Third one, what did Patrick think his cat was playing with? What was it really? So the answer should, the first part of the answer should be mentioned like Patrick saw his cat was playing with a doll because he felt that he was playing with a doll. And the second part it is asking what was it really, and in that part you will mention it was really a tiny man. It was not a doll but a tiny man. Moving forward, why did the little man grant Patrick a wish? Now Patrick was granted a wish by the little man. So it is being asked what wish did the little man give to Patrick, and this answer should revolve around the point that the little man granted Patrick a wish to help him out so that Patrick would save him from the cat. And the last question was, what was Patrick's wish? So basically Patrick's wish was to get the help from the little man for doing his homework at least for 35 days so that he can improve his grades and get A. So this is the discussion of the assignment questions. Now we will move forward to the next paragraph. When it came to maths, Patrick was out of luck. Why? What are timetables? The elf screamed. Now this time Patrick was getting more confused because the elf was saying, what is this timetable? Because he never have heard about timetables. We elves never need that because the elves have never used any timetable or tables that we use in our mathematics. And addition and subtraction and division and fraction. So he was telling that I am not having any knowledge in mathematics. Here, sit down beside me. You simply must guide me. So the elf is asking the help of the Patrick that you please sit beside me and help me out in doing this homework because I don't know anything about addition, subtraction and all. Elves know nothing of human history. To them it's a mystery. Now again here one word comes mystery. Which means surprise or puzzle. So for the elf, doing the homework of history was just like a puzzle. So the little elf already a shouter just got louder. Here you have to think about this sentence. Elf already a shouter not just got louder. Means whenever Patrick used to give homework, elf used to start shouting how to do, what to do, please help me, please help me. Now when he started getting the different homework from mathematics, history, then he became much more louder than before. More and more books, and you can help me read them too. So again, whenever the new subjects, new topics were coming to the elf, the more and more help he used to want from the